Welcome to our latest video, where we'll dive into the bathroom trends experts agree are officially out of fashion. From the all-white look that once dominated the space to oversized bathtubs that have lost their charm, we'll explore 10 design choices that may be time to say goodbye. Whether you're planning a renovation or just curious about the latest in bathroom style, stick around as we break down why these trends are fading away and what to consider instead. Let's get started. 1. All-white everything. The all-white bathroom, once hailed as the ultimate in modern cleanliness, is now being called out for its lack of personality and practicality. Recent interior design surveys, including those reported by Houzz in 2024, show a sharp decline in white-on-white schemes. Designers point out that these spaces can feel cold, sterile, and are far too unforgiving when it comes to stains or everyday mess. More homeowners are craving warmth and individuality, seeking colorful tiles or painted vanities instead. The National Kitchen and Bath Association reported a 30% drop in all-white bathroom remodel requests from 2022 to 2024. Experts also note that maintaining a spotless white bathroom can be exhausting, especially for busy families. A splash of color or natural wood now feels fresh and inviting, making the all-white era feel like a relic of the past. 2. Heavy industrial fixtures. The industrial look, think exposed pipes, black metal hardware, and concrete finishes, dominated bathroom design over the last decade. However, in their 2025 trend forecast, the American Society of Interior Designers observed a 40% downturn in requests for industrial elements. Many homeowners find the look too harsh and even unfinished for the comfort they want in a bathroom. Designers now recommend softer finishes, such as brushed brass or matte nickel, to create a more relaxing atmosphere. Research from Realtor.com highlights that softer, organic shapes are replacing the rigid, mechanical feel of industrial design. The shift is also practical. Metal surfaces can be prone to water spots and require constant upkeep. The consensus is clear: industrial is out, and comfort is in. 3. Oversized bathtubs. Once a symbol of luxury, oversized bathtubs are losing their appeal as people become more conscious of water usage and space efficiency. The EPA reported in 2023 that standard bathtubs use up to 70 gallons per bath, leading many eco-conscious homeowners to rethink their choices. Real estate agents, as quoted in a 2024 Zillow Trends piece, mention that buyers now prefer spacious walk-in showers or even wet rooms over cumbersome tubs that dominate floor plans. Not only do big tubs take up valuable space, but they are also rarely used, with a 2023 Houzz survey indicating 68% of respondents use their bathtubs less than once a month. Smaller, freestanding tubs or statement showers are now the focal points of modern bathrooms. The oversized tubs reign is officially over. 4. Matching bathroom sets. The trend of having matching soap dispensers, toothbrush holders, and tissue box covers has faded fast. Designers argue that these coordinated sets, once seen as a mark of sophistication, now feel predictable and impersonal. According to a 2024 Better Homes and Gardens feature, individuality and eclectic style are making a comeback, with homeowners mixing vintage finds and artisanal pieces for a more curated look. Sales data from Target and other retailers reveal a significant drop in bathroom accessory set sales over the past 2 years. Experts say that mixing materials and finishes adds character and depth, making the space feel lived in and unique. The days of matchy-matchy bathrooms are behind us. 5. Large format subway tiles. Subway tiles have been a go-to for years, but the classic large format white variant is falling out of favor. The Tile Council of North America noted in their 2024 report that demand for these tiles has decreased by 25% since 2021. Designers are turning to smaller, more colorful tiles, as well as handmade and textured options that add dimension and interest. A 2025 Elle Decor Trend Roundup highlighted that geometric patterns and unexpected colorways are gaining traction. Large format subway tiles are now seen as bland and lacking innovation. Homeowners are ready for something more visually engaging. 6. Wall-to-wall mirrors. Expansive mirrors that cover an entire wall were once praised for making small bathrooms look larger, but experts now say this approach feels outdated and impersonal. The National Association of Realtors reported in 2023 that buyers prefer framed or custom-shaped mirrors, which add style and warmth. Designers also point out that wall-to-wall mirrors can be hard to clean and prone to streaks, making them less practical than smaller, statement mirrors. Current bathroom remodels increasingly feature asymmetrical or vintage mirrors, giving spaces more character. According to a 2024 apartment therapy analysis, custom mirrors can even increase the perceived value of the room. The era of the giant, frameless mirror is officially fading. 7. Open shelving. Open shelving in bathrooms was once thought to create a spa-like vibe, but real-world use has led to clutter and chaos. A 2024 survey by House Beautiful found that 62% of homeowners regret installing open shelves due to the constant need for tidying and styling. Dust and humidity can also be a problem, making maintenance a chore rather than a luxury. Designers now recommend closed cabinetry or a mix of open and closed storage for a more practical, streamlined look. The move toward minimalism and concealed storage is driven by a desire for tranquility and ease of cleaning. Open shelving is now more likely to be seen as a liability than an asset. 8. Shiny chrome finishes. Chrome fixtures once dominated bathrooms thanks to their clean, reflective look, but they are quickly being replaced by warmer, more contemporary finishes. The NKBA's 2024 Trends Report shows a sharp rise in the popularity of matte black, brushed gold, and even-colored fixtures. Chrome is now viewed as too cold and clinical for the softer, more inviting spaces people want today. Maintenance is another issue, as chrome surfaces show water spots and fingerprints easily, which can make bathrooms look dirty faster. Designers now favor finishes that hide smudges and add warmth, making chrome feel outdated. The shift is toward finishes that are both functional and stylish. 9. Ornate vanities. Heavy, ornate vanities with lots of carving and detailing are being replaced by sleek, simple designs. A 2024 report from Architectural Digest points to a strong preference for clean lines and floating vanities that create a sense of openness. Ornate vanities not only date a space, but they also make it harder to clean around all the nooks and crannies. Newer models often include built-in storage, which keeps counters uncluttered and visually appealing. Designers say that simple, minimalist vanities make bathrooms feel larger and more serene. The ornate vanity's time has come and gone. 10. Overpowering accent walls. Bold accent walls, think dramatic wallpapers or brightly painted features, were once a way to inject personality into a bathroom, but many designers now see them as overwhelming. In a 2023 survey by Interior Design magazine, over half of respondents said they regretted installing a statement wall. Instead, the trend is shifting towards subtle textures and tonal variations, like Venetian plaster or soft, natural stone. These options create interest without dominating the small space of a bathroom. Experts caution that strong accent walls can quickly feel dated or clash with changing decor tastes. Softer, more harmonious design choices are the new go-to for lasting style.